Hello guys and welcome to JavaScript Step. Visual Studio Code is a really useful code editor and flexible with support for a lot of languages. Also it includes a lot of features as developers we can use in our projects. In a survey from Stack Overflow in 2018, Visual Studio Code results as the most popular code editor that developers use. Also it has a marketplace where we can find a variety of extensions and themes for different purposes. For that reason, in this video we'll show you my top 7 tips for Visual Studio Code, including some interesting features and extensions of this wonderful code editor. The debugger will use clicking this button in the left side of our Visual Studio Code. After this we need to create a configuration file called launch.json, where we can modify some parameters to start debugging. Immediately we must define our environment of our current project. In this case, this application is created with Express.js, Node.js framework, so we'll select that. Visual Studio Code creates a new launch.json file that includes a lot of properties like type, request, name, and so on. For this case, we'll use program property that defines where we're going to debug our code. Then we're going to open the main file of our app and set a breakpoint where we could inspect the function variables when the program stopped. To achieve that, we must click in the left side of the line we need to debug. To start debugging, we press this green button of the debugger section and wait until the program is executed. For this example, we set our breakpoint on 404 function what it will execute whenever some user types not existent URL in the browser. So let's do it. As you see, our program entered to this function so we can inspect the variables to test or check some bugs or whatever you want. Git Lens extension gives us an overview of our Git environment with a complete section. In this section we'll find all commits of our project, and we can check each one to have all this interface. We have different options such as open the commit, compare the commit with the current file, copy commit ID, and open in the web repository. Also, we can view a bunch of Git options like branches, contributors, stashes, and so on. Another interesting feature is we have a Git blend in real time, where we can find out who wrote some specific line, just hover it. And even we can open a GitHub website along with the right commit. Another interesting feature is fast navigation. You almost find instantly any file you have in your project just typing it. To activate that, we need to press Ctrl P or Command P on macOS. And we could see files while we are typing and just need to select to open them. It could be whatever file we have in our project. Visual Studio Code is able to open a terminal in the bottom. We can do that in the terminal menu. This terminal is the same we can use in our program. It depends on your system, it's available to call the same command like always. Even Visual Studio Code can split the terminal to open another one. With the theme section, you can customize your default theme on Visual Studio Code. You can search and find the right theme for you. There is a diversity of themes created by developers which are really good. To select a new one, we need to click this gear icon in the bottom and go to the color theme option. And we can choose a bunch of pre-installed themes and the new ones you have just installed. Do you want a mode where you don't get distracted? Zen Mode is the answer. We can activate it in the View menu, and that's it. You'll have a complete view of your code without any distraction. To exit, we only need to press Escape key. Have you ever wanted to have all your to-do comments gathered in a single place? TODO List extension gathers all your to-do lists around your project in a section of your Visual Studio Code, where you can check it and open the file that contains those to-do comments. Regardless of the update you made to your to-do comments, it will update and you could view it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and activate notifications. Thank you so much for watching.